Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 57 Reg Land Rover FREELANDE 2 in white finish with a 19-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. The vehicle's got front and rear parking sensors, side steps, privacy glass and a roof rails. It's got split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. In the front of the vehicle, it's got front box and headlamp washers. It's got contrasting full leather interior with 5 headrests, a ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department. For your safety, it's got front side and rear airbags. It's with a twin electric seats and electric lumbar support and memory driver side. Alpine sound system on the vehicle, electric windows and folding mirrors, auto headlights. It's got a push button to start and a automatic transmission, a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side. It's got Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, touchscreen satellite navigation, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, heated seats. Above driver and passenger side armrests, auto dimming rear view mirror, a glass panoramic roof which is tilted inside. In the glove box we have the owner's manual. By the way, it's got AM, FM radio and a CD player as well. This was the video walk around of the 57 Reg Land Rover FREELANDE 2. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.